What is an important tip that you should keep in mind if your case is going to settle or you're going through mediation? Want to know what I'm getting at? Stay with me as I share with you this really important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about that question. What is an important tip or something that you really should keep in mind when you are thinking about, or if your case is one of the ones that can be settled? What should you be really thinking about? And there's one huge thing that I think is important in this process, and people sometimes forget it. It's self-explanatory to a certain extent, but I just want to talk about the importance of this, and that is that you should really listen to your attorney. Yep, that's it. I know it's simple, and I know you're like, well, Marcus, why would you have to tell somebody that? Believe it or not, sometimes people can forget this. And the reason why listening to your attorney is important when we're talking about settlement and mediation is because your attorney is here to help guide you through this process. That's one of the main roles of an attorney when we're talking about a birth injury or a medical malpractice case. And that attorney is there to help you get through the process. They're there to help you understand the pros, the strengths of your case, and they are there to help you understand where you could have problems in your matter. And so your attorney is going to be working through all of this and providing you with the information so you can make the best decision possible regarding your case. Should you settle? If you're in mediation, is the number a good number for you, or is this something that you should walk away from and go to trial? And your attorney is there to help you make those decisions. Where problems can arise, serious problems, where they can arise is when sometimes individuals think that they know more than the attorney. They think that, you know what, I can read and I can write and I've got advanced degrees and I understand this stuff, that I know more than what the attorney. And you know what, in some cases, that's probably not going to be true, because unless you do this type of work, unless this is your profession, more than likely you have not been faced with these fact patterns or these issues before. Whereas your attorney, because this is what they do, more than likely they have seen some of these issues play out and they can advise you as to certain things. And sometimes what can happen is if you don't listen or you go off on your own, you can end up seriously hurting your case, or being in a really bad spot in regards to things. So the purpose of today's video was just to quickly talk with you and to remind you about the importance of listening to your attorney if you're getting ready to get through a settlement or you're trying to get through mediation, why this stuff is important. Now, this video that I'm talking to you about, that I'm doing right now, this is very general information. If you have specific questions as to your facts, specific questions as to your issues, specific questions as to what happened to you, you should direct those questions to your attorney about what you've got going on. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.